Ebling back blade. 8 foot wide, folds out to 16 feet wide. Today's shop project, you're going to mount and wire wirelessly the Ebling blade. Your Control All wireless kit with the power cable kit will replace all of this wiring. And not only replace it, you don't need to drill any holes into your cab of your vehicle. First things first, we're going to have to remove the factory receiver hitch so we can mount the Ebling one. And there we go. The Ebling mount is hooked up. Got the back all done here. Power cable. Now we are ready to hook up our wireless control unit to our Ebling. You're going to refer to your instructions that come with your wireless unit. It is going to give a list of what wire corresponds with what number on your controller. Okay, for example, let's look at the yellow wire is activated by number 1. So every time you press number 1 on your controller, it's going to send a pulse through that wire, and it's going to activate that solenoid that wire is connected to. I'm going to take the control unit and I'm going to stick the wires through these top set of hydraulic cables here. And I'm just going to set that right there for right now. Okay, we're going to take our power and our ground, pull them back through here. Okay, and then we're going to hook the power to your power, and then the ground, we're going to ground. Now we are ready to hook up our solenoid wires. We are going to be doing raise and lower, extend on the driver's side, retract on the driver's side, extend on the passenger side and retract on the passenger side. Number 7 up here is going to be extend both sides at the same time and then retract both sides at the same time. So we're going to hook up the wireless unit by running to this top solenoid. This is your C4 solenoid, is going to be a blue wire. C3 solenoid, which is your right wing live end, which is to extend, is going to be your orange wire. This solenoid is your C6, which is going to be your left wing retract, is going to be a green wire. Now your C5 solenoid is going to be the brown wire. Now your C2 has 2. There's another C2 here, which both these solenoids activate the raise function. Now that is going to be the wire, the yellow wire that's jumpered. Okay, and then the bottom one is your lower function, which is going to be a white wire. This application, these will not be used. And your gray trigger wire will go to your solenoid, which I will show you that next. This how-to is for programming or reprogramming your transmitter to your receiver. With your receiver powered on, take your transmitter, and in the back there's a hole where you depress with a paper clip and turns on the blue light. You're going to then depress each button one time and then wait for the blue light to go out. Some models, the blue light will be on the front side. At that point, you're going to depress the black button in the receiver and then depress each button on the transmitter one time. And then depress the black button on the receiver, the red light will go out. Every time you depress the button, the red light will come on to assure connection. With the solenoid, we're going to mount that here in the lower box in this corner. There's plenty of room to get that stuck in there. You're going to connect your power coming in with your power plug and the power going to your wireless control unit to the one side of the solenoid. On the other side, the other big post is going to be your power going out. That will be connected to your motor. Don't forget your inline fuse when connecting your power. On the one side, we're going to connect the gray wire from your wireless control unit, which is your trip wire. And then the other small post is going to be grounded out to a ground source. We are then going to tighten up and secure the wires and the control unit and reinstall the cover. There, we have the unit hooked up and I have it filled with fluid and we're ready to give it the run through. Okay, we're gonna go raise, Lower. Driver's side. Passenger side. And then 7 will open out. And from here, we'll make any adjustments to our wings.